So, very good evening, guys. Today we are going to work on an assignment, and the assignment name is basically it's railway. We are going to use REST short for checking the railway PNR inquiry system. So here we are going to implement and test RESTful API for simulating a PNR inquiry system. So our focus will be on using GET request and validating array responses and asserting passenger status data using REST assured in Java. So these are the attributes and fields: PNR number, train number, travel date, passenger details. We have to put status. We have to put, and these are the validations criteria. Get, we have to evaluate. We have to get evaluate GET request. Status code should be 200 OK. Response time less than 500 milliseconds. And our header content should be application JSON format. Right. So let's mm, begin the project. So first of all, you have to create a file. You have to first of all you have to create a JSON file. So you can create a JSON file like this. I have already created, and you can also create a basic JSON file like this. So you can code it in VS Code, which will help you to identify the errors very easily. So I have created the JSON file. Now you just have to open your CMD command prompt, and there you have to type npm version, because first you need to check whether your npm is installed or not on your device. So and which version it is, you can check through npm version command. Now put npx json server. Now you have to paste the path of your JSON file. So this is our JSON file, and I'm going to copy its path, and I'm going to paste it over here. So this will create an endpoint, right, of our JSON file. So everything is created. Now we are going to check whether this server is working or not. So we'll open postman. We will check whether it's displaying the content which is there inside my JSON file. So I'll create another new request, GET request. I'll paste the content over here. I'll click on send option. So here our content is displayed. This is our content, and in header you can also check it is application JSON it is in application JSON format. Minimize this. Now open Eclipse. So what you need to do is you just have to go on to file, click on new, create Maven project, right, create Maven project, click on this arrow and click on next. So now coming on to your this group ID, you can name it as you can name it it's anything. You can name it as Aman 1. I am naming it as Aman 5, another Aman 5. This is version, which version we are using, right? And our packaging is in jar format, right? This is basically a jar project right now we are creating. It will contain the jar dependencies. We'll click on finish. Our project has been created over here. So where it is Aman 5, this is our project. It has been created. Now we'll click onto the pom.xml file. So basically pom is our project object model file. It contains all the dependencies which you require to run your REST assured API, right? It will contain all the dependencies, and the dependencies which you add it should be added over here. Then it will work. Then you can test your API. So first of all, I'll add a Maven. I'll add a REST assured a Maven repository. So I'll go to Maven repository. I'll add REST assured dependency. I'll click on to Maven repository. I'll click on REST assured. I'll enter REST assured. So click on the version, latest version. So here the dependencies code is there. Copy it and paste it over here. Wait, it's not responding. So it has responded 2 times. Wait, let me delete this. So here we are going to create dependencies. Under this dependencies tag, we are actually our Eclipse is working a little bit slow, responding slow. So don't worry, it's lagging a little bit. So now we'll copy the REST assured dependency over here, and now we have to copy the test ng dependency as well. So for same process we have to perform. Go to Maven repository, click on testng, type testng, your testng page will open. Copy the code and paste it over here. Right, done. Save this pom file and now go on to the there are these are the packages, right? And this one is the library. It's GRE system library. You have to download this Java. GRE is basically a Java runtime environment. So it contains all the dependencies and all those stuffs which are required to run a Java program or Java program. So I think you can download this from Oracle official website. So it's there on Oracle official website. You can download JDK kit, and you can download it from here. And after downloading, if you want to build, I have already built. So you just, if you want to build it, so go to like click onto the double click on the project, uh, go to build path option, right? And configure path, click onto the configure path, and there you go. You just have to click add external jar. You will click on add external jar, and the download file will be here, and you just have to add it over here, and then click apply and close. Okay, so your JRE system library will be added. I have already added, so I'm not going to perform it again. So now you have to add Maven dependencies, right? So if you want to, these Maven dependencies are automatically added when you add this REST assured dependency. Okay, so this is the Maven dependencies. Okay, so these are in the .jar extension dependent files. So you can think we can run these Java programs easily without any error. Now we'll click on source test Java. So you have to click source test Java, right? Yeah. So you have to create a package over here. Name this package as train. Click on finish. Okay. Then again you have to create a class under this package and name the class as train 123. Click on finish. Click on the inherited abstract methods option. Click on finish. Your file will be created. Now I have already formed this I have already created so I'll just I'll just paste this code over here over there. So just have to paste the code over here. You can write this code. This is the Java code. You have to write it on your own, right? So paste I have pasted this code. So and let me explain you all. So this option is coming, run all option is coming. So this option at the red test is just because of the test ng dependency we have added. It's coming because of that. So we are using test ng. We are running our program using test ng. So that's why it's coming run all run debug. These things are coming. So we have in this program we have use all the uh, conditions which were asked over here. We have used get. First condition is get, so we have used get over here. Get arrest short base URI and dot get command is also here. To fetch our endpoint, and we have used the base URI so that we can fetch our endpoint. For validation, we have used the yes. So status code is session 200k. We have performed the assert keyword, also assert that status code 200 also performed. Content type is also given, application JSON. So time less than is 904L, right? It should be performed under 904L. Right now dot body 0 dot pnr, we have created that JavaScript file. So it's the content of that JavaScript file. Now wait, there is a little bit error. Now it's solved, I guess. Solved, yeah, it's solved. We are going to save this file. Now we are going to run this file as a using testng. So we are going to run it and let's see what is the output. So it's giving an error. So let's see what's the error. So there is one failure. So the time was not a value less than 904 milliseconds, was 920 milliseconds. So 920 milliseconds time hai. So our time is, we have to give the time 920 milliseconds. 904 920 milliseconds. So time is less than 920 milliseconds. So we are going to give 920L and we are going to save it. Now we are going to run it as testng. So let's see whether it runs or not. Yeah, so it passes, all the test cases are passes. It runs successfully. And we can see the test is running successfully. And here we have access all the things.